forget the camera, forget everything that's there, and just
be honest.
Like, I'm so excited.
And be like super honest. Like, you don't have to act.
I won't.
If you hate him, say it. Okay, close your eyes. Okay, open.
Oh my gosh. You're right. It's so different. I love it.
How do you feel?
I do, yeah. They're super light, actually.
And how do you feel? Do you feel like they're, so they're pretty full and there's a volume, but compared to the false eyelashes, what was your first reaction? How would you compare it?
Actually, so we talked about doing the cat, like the extra length when you go out, and that's kind of what I saw, especially on this side. I love it, especially because I do the swoop. I normally do a swoop if I do some sort of, like, that's what I noticed first. I love it. I love it.